Hey guys, welcome to lemcode. In this video, we'll see how to install Python in Windows. Uh, Open any of your browser and search for Python download for Windows. And you can see here official website of Python, www.python.org. So click on download Python here. And here you can see the download Python 3.11.3. As on today, this is the latest version of Python. And if you are using any of the OS apart from Windows, you can see the below options here, Linux or Unix or Mac OS. And I'll make a separate video on how to install in Windows in Linux and Mac. So here we'll see how to install Python in Windows. So click on this icon, click on this button, and so it will take a while for downloading it. You can see the .exe file here, and you can go to downloads, or you can directly click on .exe file here. Let's wait for a minute. So here you can see two options. One is customize installation and install now. So the difference between these two options is, if you can see here, install now will automatically take a default path, which you can see here. In my system, it is like C users CASI app data local programs Python 3.11. So if you are going for a customized installation, you can choose your own locations and features. And if you want to download particular features of Python, then you can you can download only, you can select only those features or flavors, and you can customize it. So I don't want to customize it, and I want everything in Python, and I want to go with the default location. Then I don't want to select. You don't want to select it. You can click on install now. But yeah, wait a minute here. So here, if you see, there is one more option here. One is use admin privileges when installing py.exe. That is okay. That should be selected. Otherwise, you will not be able to access some of the modules of your Python. And there is one more option here: add python.exe to path. So here, if you by default it won't select this checkbox, but we need to select this checkbox. The reason is, if you select this checkbox, Python path will be added to the environmental variables or system variables in your system. Using the advantage of setting this path is you can access Python from any path of your system using a Python command. And if you don't select it, you might have to manually add your environmental variables. There is no harm in not selecting it, but the problem is you might have to manually do it later. Yeah, so for easy purpose, you can select it and click on install now. Let's wait for a minute. It won't take much of your time. Yeah, we're almost there. Yes. So if you see, the setup was successful. Now we are done with installing the Python. So it's very easy. Now let's see whether the installation is completed successfully or not. Go to your search bar and Windows search and type Python. So you can see the Python interpreter here. So Python 3.11, that is what we have installed now, right? You can click on this. and you can see the Python interpreter here. And so here you can see the version that we installed, Python 3.11.3. And so if you want to write some program here, you can write it. I'm just creating one variable and checking the output. So printing that equal to subscribe to lemcode. So I'm initializing this text and printing this variable. Okay, so here you can write your Python and validate your output. But yeah, it's always recommended to create separate py file and write your Python program there and execute it. So yeah, I'll make more videos on how to run your Python program using a .py file or using PyCharm and using a command prompt. All these steps I'll make a separate video. And if you like this video and if you think it is useful for you, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.